Hey guys, so here I am getting home and I'm doing a voiceover for this night routine. I was going to do an intro, but then everything got messed up and I'm also kind of sick right now, so if I sound kind of annoying, that's why. But first, I'm just going to get home. I usually get home around 4 o'clock and I come home from the bus usually. I will head into the kitchen because the first thing I want to do is eat, always. In the kitchen, I will open up my fridge and then I will bang my phone in the middle of the fridge and I will make fun of myself. I'm making this strawberry lemonade smoothie and I've literally been obsessed with this smoothie and I literally recommend it so much. I will have the recipe linked down below. So I'll just liquefy that on low and then you add in this like collagen stuff and some ice and then you liquefy it on high and it makes such a nice texture and it's so good. I would just chill, drink my smoothie, and check some social media. Now I'm just going to unpack my lunch because I feel like that is something a good child would do. And then I go upstairs and I will probably chill out some more because I've been doing a lot of work and I just want to relax for a bit. That was me Snapchatting, by the way, if you're confused. After that, I feel like I've been on my phone for enough, so I will go over to my desk and I'll take out my planner and I will make a to-do list with everything that I have to do for that day, so I'm all organized and I can prioritize and see what has to be done. Then I will probably go on Netflix and I will pick out something to watch while I'm doing my homework. A lot of people think this is really weird and I honestly can't do homework without something in the background. So it's either music or Netflix or YouTube or something like that, or else I get really just like spaced out and I won't get anything done. I would just pack up my stuff when I'm done and then I will start to get ready for dance. So here I am just picking out my outfit. Then I will go downstairs to eat dinner and today we had this salmon and a huge salad. Oh my gosh. And it had like walnuts, raspberries, peppers, cucumbers. And I will also take an omega-3 pill because I want to be healthy. Then I will go back upstairs, take my dance bag, and then I will head out the door and I will go to dance. It's fun. Then when I come home, I will take a shower because I feel absolutely disgusting, and I will play my music on my Bluetooth speaker. In this bottle, I have some coconut oil. I know it says hydrating night cream, but it's not. Then I have some shampoo and conditioner from Desert Essence, which I love, and I will just take a shower. Once I come out of the shower, I will do some skincare. It depends how much time I have, but if I have time, I will do a face mask, and today I'm doing this mud mask, and the brush dropped, and I got so shook. I'm just putting that on with a brush, usually in my T-zone and on my chin. Then I will put on this Healing and Anti-Blemish Face Balm, and I just put that on like the lower parts of my cheeks where I tend to get dry skin. Then I will moisturize with the Desert Essence Moisturizer. Now I will go back into my room and I will check off the day in my planner just to have that mentally checked off in my head. And I will turn on my lights, get my room kind of cozy so I can finally fall asleep. Even for you. And I will probably check social media one last time because I'm an internet person, as you can probably tell. Then I will plug in my phone and I will go to bed.